Welcome to the Mcfly channel. Get ready to be blown away.
Hello, good news. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 channel hacks that will get you started on YouTube. So whether you're beginner or intermediate, these tips should help you along the way on your YouTube journey.
Pretty sick, if you ask me.
Hack 1. Is your channel hidden? You might be confused when you hear this, but it's common on YouTube for a lot of channels to be hidden and the owners not being aware of it. So what does a hidden channel look like? Well, this is it. It might look like a regular channel, but if you look closer, there are no user features on the page like videos, playlists, etc. So how do you fix this? Okay, so you're on YouTube. You have to open up the YouTube menu and then click your channel. Once you've done that, you have to click on customize channel, which will get you to this page. Once you're at this page, you have to click the gear icon on the right and then slide the customize the layout of your channel button. Once you've done that, then you have to click save. And now your channel should be public. You can check on a different browser. As you can see, there is now home, videos, playlists, and channels and about tabs available on the channel. Hack 2. How do you hide the ratings and comments? There are times when you might want to block the comments and ratings for your channel.
Wow.
So how would you do this? You would start by first going to the dashboard. Once you're there, then you're going to be going to the video page and find the video where you would like to hide the comments and the ratings. Once there, you click the advanced tab and then scroll to the comments and rating section. Choose the appropriate action for your videos. And below that is the checkbox to allow ratings. Unclick to hide the likes and dislike bar and then click save. Hack 3. Have you ever seen channels hide their subscriber counts? Have you ever wondered why they did it? Well, whatever reason, for this hack I'm going to show you how you can also hide your subscriber count. Like the last hack, you need to be in the dashboard. Once there, go to the settings page and then go on the channel tab and then click advanced settings, then scroll to the subscriber count checkbox and click or unclick to hide it and then click save. Hack 4. Now this one is useful for those who like to keep their private playlist hidden from the public, and it's pretty simple to do. So you do this by going to your channel page, clicking customize channel page, and then click the settings button, and then click hide playlist button, and then click save. Hack 5. If you have outgrown your name, then it's time for a change, and it's pretty simple to change your name. You go on the settings page on the dashboard, and then click channel tab, and then click on Google account to change your name, and then a new page would pop up where you enter your name. Once you entered your name, hit OK and then change name, and then your name should change, but it will take a while for your channel to update throughout, so give it time.
Make sure to like and subscribe, you bitches.
Well, there you have it. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have another question or need further help with the steps, please feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to assist you any way I can.